Give me 32 minutes. Let's go.
Give me your fucking leg.
What'd you find?
Oh, 2 Bowling Green Kentucky rocks.
Let me see them.
Come here. Bowling Green Kentucky rocks.
What we gotta do? We gotta hide them somewhere else,
Yeah.
right?
You gotta have them somewhere else.
All right, y'all. Here's where we're at. We're gonna be at the walking bridge. It's gonna make it a long way. You want the cigarette?
Yeah, you can't get up there, you fucking dumb fuck.
I'm trying to get up here and look. Here we are at the awesome river, you guys. The river, yeah, baby. Let's go check it out. You see down there? See a cart down there. Homeless people seldom sleep down here. You know, there's like a little thing over there you can see where somebody's been sleeping, of course. Most people probably way out there in the woods sleeping now. You know, there's a car down there. Looks like they're gonna do some fishing. Well, let's get on the journey, you guys. Got a long walk to go, so let's get on the road, baby. Might run into some homeless people. I don't know. Let's go check it out. Check out this awesome place. They got the lights. The lights light up at night. All these lights light up at night. I guess that's in case of an emergency. You press the button in case of an emergency. A lot of people. This is the walking bridge. They used to have a lot of locks on here with people's names and stuff. People be in relationships and stuff, but they took them all off. They used to have a thing you could step out on each side. Well, they do have it over here. I'm about to show it to you. People would step out over here sometimes. A lot of people have someone actually jumped off the bridge over here and died. A couple people actually jumped off the bridge over there and survived. But this is just another historical place in our thing. You see, if somebody was to jump off right here, it's actually not that deep. And you're gonna hit a big pile of rocks, as you can see. Rocks over there, you know. You're gonna hit a big pile of rocks, you guys, if you jump off of here. Sometimes the fire department comes out here and they test the currents of the water, which you can see that the current is pulling right there. You can see that the current is definitely pulling up there. You see how it circles around in certain areas of the water. And that's the other bridge where we travel over. This is just a walking bridge. This is just a walking bridge for everybody. It's like they still have one of the locks on here. I only see one lock. I guess they couldn't get it off or whatever. These locks are, right? Yeah, couples. Yeah, couples. Yeah, but they took most of them off here. It goes on down there. That's the train track bridge. They got a train track on that bridge. All the way over there, and then there's another bridge that just goes over the water. That's Old Louisville Road, and that would be Louisville Road. That'd be going to Louisville, Kentucky. You would go down that road. If you wasn't taking the interstate, you go down that road. Look, somebody's got their floater stuck up there on the thing, it looks like. And we got a lot more to the journey, you guys. Y'all hear the train? There it goes. I guess they do go over that bridge over there. I guess the train does go over the bridge over there, you guys. Train still travels on that bridge, I reckon. That's the R&N train depot, something like that. Something like that, R&N train depot. You can see the waterfall once you get past that. On over here a little bit where we're about to walk to, you'll see the whole waterfall, you guys. So then we got this long walkway, this long journey over here. Girlfriend's up here. We're gonna start the walk. Babe, I didn't know the train still went over that. So we got a long ways to walk, don't we? You lock all the doors? 'Cause around here, like I told him, I said if somebody's living out here, they're probably living deep, deep, deep in the woods right now. You can't go over there, boy. You can go wherever you want. You are not a river dog. Oh, we gotta go this way?
Yeah. I'm gonna show them everything. You gotta go this way.
All right, I'm gonna pause it for just a second till we get down here. Look, y'all see that smile? This dog's so happy. He's so happy, he don't even know what he's doing, y'all. He don't even know what he's doing. I think he smells the fish. I think he smells the fish, boy. I think he's getting hungry.
What, boy?
I think he's getting hungry for some fish. Got a sign right here that says, attention anglers, Wally 16 to 12, 26-inch slot limit, 2 fish daily, krill limit. Anglers must relieve all wally between 18 and 26 inches. Anglers may keep 2 fish above or below these sizes. Kentucky Department of Fish and Wildlife Resources. Caution. Steep path ends in river emergency access. Do not block. Unauthorized use of boat ramp is prohibited. City of Bowling Green. Now she's going down here where I'm about to go. We're gonna do the whole journey today, guys. We're gonna do the whole journey today. We got that awesome cliff over there. Awesome cliff of a wall. Looks like someone else down there is recording. But it looks like someone else is recording. You know, got these people.
Well, they did new graffiti.
Put all their graffiti on the wall.
New graffiti. Yeah.
They just actually painted over this graffiti. And now there's more graffiti. As you can see, it's disgusting down here. People actually live down here. They have not made a project. They should make a project to actually come down here and clean this shit up about once a week, I think. I know we can come down here and clean it up one. No matter the look. Somebody put fuck 12 on the thing right there. They put fuck 12. And then you got the wow face right above it. All right, y'all see the graffiti? Somebody said king something. And it's got the king, y'all see that? They got the crown over here. You know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna tag over nobody's shit, because I'm not like that. That's beautiful right there, the little heart in the graffiti. Checking it out. Yeah, bro, it's nice. Welcome, wow. DBB. I'm trying to step all in the mud. I was always saying sweet shit. With the 5K8. No guys, I don't like that one. I don't like that one. Got some more on the back. Got the Bike Club 270 boys up in here. I don't know what this is. MOB, money over bitches. They got the eyeball right there. Y'all see the eyeball looking at you in the rock. See the rock looking at you. It's awesome piece over here. We're gonna go on up. This is the water down here where we're at. They continue to go up. That's the walking bridge we was just on. We'll continue to go up here. Here we go, guys. And we're gonna get on the nature trail. Gonna hop on the nature trail now.
Yeah, but we gotta walk all the way around to down there to get to the nature trail. We gotta cross the road. I mean, you can still see stuff over here. I mean, I wouldn't go under the bridge. You can if you want. I'm not.
Can't go that way, can you?
No. Oh, I forgot to tell you, over there, if you go back there where that little trail is, where I just sleep midnight.
Somebody sleep back there.
Yeah, there's stuff back there.
Yeah, I could have told you that. That's why I didn't go that far though, because this little motherfucker
Yeah, there's stuff back there.
will bark at people and shit.
Yeah, there's stuff. I've seen it all.
I mean, I figured they would have to just go further back in the hills, in the woods.
Some people stay up underneath too.
Yeah. Yeah, people sleep up underneath
there?
the...
see it up there?
Yeah, you can definitely see it up there.
See all that stuff up there?
And you can definitely see where people sleep up there.
Yeah, you don't see where they got curtains up? Stuff up right there?
Mm-hmm.
Y'all see that, people?
Where people sleep at. People live underneath the bridge right here, as you can see.
It's more over there, though.
They got some stuff over here.
More on that side.
Graffiti all up on the walls over here.
Like, that's crazy.
You know? Whole lot of whatever shit, you know?
They all live together right there.
I am not gang related in any type of way.
Over there, they live together.
I guess we got water pipes above. So this is getting closer to the waterfall area right here, you guys. Real beautiful waters, you know what I'm saying? You can tell people sleep up here. You can definitely tell there's people sleeping here. Lots of graffiti. Lots of beautiful graffiti. Tell people stuff's up here. I'm not gonna mess with anybody's stuff. I'm just actually walking around here to see if there's a walkway to get over here instead of going all the way around. You know, my girlfriend don't want to go this way, but I figured there's a way over here too. But I'm about to probably run into some water. Come on, hey, come on. Good, we can go this way. It's a short. See, we went underneath the bridge. We're gonna walk over here. I'm gonna keep this thing on record, just in case something crazy happens. Somebody pops out, trying to talk crazy or anything. Anything's possible in the little area that I'm at. I'm not gonna go close to anybody's stuff. You can come this way. Come on, Midnight. You want me to come get him? Here, just walk up the thing. Come on, Midnight. Midnight, you gonna hurt yourself, boy. Let's go, come on.
Midnight.
Let's go.
You
Right
keep
here.
pulling, you're gonna make me fall.
I told you I can take him. You have to go this way. Once you get down here, you're safe. Once you get down here, we're on the trail. See this shit? We're on the trail once you get down here. There's the trail right there. We're good now, come on.
You gotta fucking learn.
We took the dangerous way.
Continue to do this shit.
We're still bound to run into anybody or anything, you guys.
Stop. You think I'm playing with you, boy, and I'm not.
See, I think they got a bit.
Again with this leash.
I think they got an actual mattress back here. Look, you know what?
Crazy.
We're about to have to go across the log. Can you walk across that log? Can you go across this wood right here?
No.
Look. Can you jump this? I'm gonna walk across this log, you guys. You ready? Walk across this log and go over here. All right. I made it. 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 You don't need to walk across the log. You do not need to walk across the log. I'm about to come back across. I'm about to come back across. Poison ivy all over the place over here, you guys. I done got lost up in some poison ivy. Can't leave them hanging. I could get caught up in a fucking copperhead or rattlesnake or something over here.
You gotta fucking stop. I'm putting you back in the fucking corner.
Alright, I'm coming back over here. Cause I didn't want to lose them. I didn't want to lose Dale. What do you want to do?
Get off the fucking nasty ass now.
Get off the nasty ass bed, bro. I've got your back. I'm a blood donor, says the shirt on the ground. I mean, I see the trail right there.
Yeah, I see it too. You wouldn't. I said fucking stop. Now I mean it. I'm not playing.
This is a real adventure right here. I think we can make it over there.
Come on.
We should have had a fucking sharpened stick before we came in here, though. I will take him, man.
No, because all he's gonna do is pull you.
Well, we need to get him out of these woods.
Yeah.
I mean, look at that. That ain't that bad, is it? Can we get across that?
Come here, boy.
Can you go across that?
I guess I can. If I can even get all over there.
Right here.
Got fucking breaking an ankle or something.
You're not gonna break anything.
I wasn't up for it fucking going through the woods.
Give me the dog. Give me the dog. Go. Go, Midnight. Go. Go. Oh, did you see that? Did you see that? This motherfucker flew across that shit. He flew across the fucking thing.
Now we gotta go up there.
Yeah, we're here now though. Just go up there. Go. You go. You don't need the dog. I got the dog. Dog's gonna find his own way. Believe that. We took the wrong way trail. I see people shit. I'm not messing with nobody's shit. Not at all. We have made it to the trail. Going the wrong way, but we made it to the trail. Going the bad way. This is the way the homeless people would go. Go before you get bit by a snake or something, dumbass. Now we out here, you guys. Now which way we want to go? We want to go over there?
Stop.
We want to go this way or we want to go that way?
This way, I guess.
We won't go that way back. We'll walk all the way back.
Well, yeah, I'm walking all the way back. You going through that stupid shit again?
Right now you got to get your ass
Get over
whooped.
here and walk.
Stop.
Yeah, you know better. And you gonna fucking learn. You gonna learn one way or another.
See all the trees and stuff. We ain't even halfway through the journey, y'all. Hopefully I didn't lose no money or nothing. Should have left everything in the car. Knew I was doing this shit. Go down here where the waterfall's at. And just say here's the water district company up there. See in the big building. It's a bike rail. A bike track. Here and look at the fucking waterfall. Smoke a cigarette real quick. That's what I'm gonna do. Take this corner right here. Alright, there's somebody down here, so I'm gonna turn it off till I get there. Down here by the water. Record this for you guys. The water flow is not too bad right now. We got a big old waterfall usually, you guys. Hot out here today. There's the water company up there. They hard at work, you guys. Hard at work up there at the water company. There's this wonderful, wonderful waterfall.
Loud. I see the dog. Be careful. I'm telling him to be careful because let the dog get away. Y'all see how pretty it is though? so beautiful. It really is beautiful. He don't like it, I don't think.
Not happy.
He said, I come back to mama.
Come back to mama.
It's so pretty though, you guys. Look. It's beautiful out here. Huh? Yeah, I know. You'll see how pretty it is though. The water, the way the water's flowing. Honestly, it's flowing pretty fast right there, and then right here you can see it going slow.
Honestly, I don't see no reason to go back that way.
No, because we done been that way. But we still have to go that way to go back to the car because I have to cross the road to get back. It's still recording.
Beautiful, ain't it, y'all? Be nice we see some fish flopping down here. Be nice to see some fish flopping down here, y'all. So when we get done, we're gonna have to cross back over that road. We're gonna do it the right way. We ain't gonna go through the woods this time. That shit up there is annoying. That's the water company up there fucking shit up like always. We took a short cigarette break while we was here. Smoking a cigarette, sitting on some rocks. Shut up! Midnight! Shut him up. We're going to move again. We're about to be on the move again, y'all. We're about to go back to the car. Midnight wants to act stupid, go everywhere. He wants to explore everything. Going back. I'll say peace out to the waterfall. We'll be back here plenty more times. We love this place, you guys. We love this place right here. It's the actual water company right there, you see. They filter all of our water out and purify it all this lovely tap water. Now we're on our journey back to the car and back to the house. Let's go. We done been through the woods. We ain't going back through the woods. It'd be a hell of a shortcut though.
Yeah, it would.
You want to take the shortcut? It's a hell of a shortcut, babe. You want me to take the dog? Well, you might have found a dry fucking spot. Look what you just did.
No, tonight. You gotta walk with mama.
Yeah, you gotta walk.
Over that water. Somehow. Be careful, boy.
As soon as he gets off that, let him go. He'll jump over there. As soon as he gets off that hill, let him go. He'll get over there. He's not dumb. Oh, baby! Baby, oh, I'm about to fall too.
Oh.
Let's just fucking fuck, man. Fuck, I'm jumping over here.
Here, go over there with your daddy.
Come on, boy. Come on, boy. Come on, jump. Jump, Midnight. Come on, boy.
Jump.
Jump, boy. Good boy. Midnight, stop.
Midnight, come here.
You want treat? Treat. Come on. Midnight. I gotta watch your mom, dude. I'm waiting for you, babe.
Come here, Midnight, you treat. Look what Mama got, boy. Look. Midnight.
Midnight done ran off. Look at him.
Look at that tree. No.
No, you're gonna hurt yourself, boy. Come on.
Look. Look. Look.
Midnight. Fuck no, man.
Midnight. Get over here now.
Now you're gonna have to record. I'm gonna have to get the dog.
He's coming. He's coming. You want this? You want this treat? You want the treat? Come here. Go get the treat. Go get the treat. Come here. Come here. Midnight! Fuck. I know. No.
Stop recording for a minute. Come here, hold my hand. Till we get past this part. You ain't hurt, are you?
No. My ankle hurts.
You walk this way, guys. Where it's not that slippery. Walk into a hole if you got to.
We made it, you guys, and I'm muddy. Now I gotta go.
Knock that mud off the feet.
I am.
Dirt off the feet and stand right now.
I had to clean my shoes.
Why'd I get shit on?
Probably where I fell.
You wanna hold my hand?
Yeah.
Well, we made it out of there, you guys. Y'all gonna love this fucking video. Y'all are gonna love this video, that's all I can say. Dog probably had to shit again, boy. He done shit twice today. Now we only about. And take another shower once. We muddy in the motherfucker, boy.
Our shoes are gonna have to be taken off outside the door.
Lucky wasn't no quicksand down there by that motherfucker.
I know.
You ever been out to the country and there's quicksand all up by the lake?
We went to fucking Colorado.
Yeah, I wouldn't let him get that because that's probably some chicken livers or something. Somebody used for fishing bait.
We went to fucking Colorado, there was quicksand. And Natalie got scared and left her fucking shoes.
There's the river again, y'all. We bypassed walking across the street. But she got muddier than hell. Or Jackie got muddy, she fell. It's like we still got everything. I had my phone, I had a pack.
Said, oh, this will be a quick way.
It was a quick way though, wasn't it?
I go sliding down it.
It was the quickest way to cover everything we need to cover.
Yeah, because they don't see the other part. Oh, didn't think I'd be muddy. And I didn't think somebody was going to be crazy.
No, he was wild today, boy. He had a blast on this trip. Midnight had more fun than anybody. You have fun? Midnight, you have fun. You thirsty? You want some water? You want some water, boy?
I know, baby. You don't want to drink the dirty water. Mama's muddy.
Mama got dirty, boy.
All over me.
All over. She fell. But she made it. And it's on the video.
Everybody gonna be laughing about that.
The dog running off is on the video. We didn't skip nothing.
Yeah, y'all hear us screaming at him. Y'all scream at him just to get his attention. I didn't plan on getting muddy, but it is what it is.
We made it.
Good thing I have a bathtub.
We made it.
We made it.
We made it.
Now we just gotta walk over the wall.
Go, boy. Don't be barking at nobody. Leave people alone.
You're muddy too, son. And you didn't even slip to fall.
He is a little muddy, ain't he?
I'm the only one that slipped and fell.
His ass jumped plumb over
Oh,
the.
my ankle hurts now.
Let me see, somebody had some E&J down here. Y'all see that? Somebody been sipping, boy. That's why most homeless people cannot keep money and they stay homeless because a lot of them are addicted to drugs or alcohol or something.
You got mud on you trying to help me. I tell you got mud on you.
Well, I helped you though, so that's all that matters. I helped you. Look, dirty. They're supposed to make a dog park right here, baby. Let's put a dog park over here too. Someone put 911 on that bitch.
It's supposed to be more walking.
Now here we go, walking back across the walking bridge, you guys. Walking back across the walking bridge.
See there's stuff down there? You see it? It's down there right there.
Deep in the woods. You can see where people sleep back in here. People sleep back in here, you guys. You can see the stuff right there. Dog food, tires, all kind of stuff. Maybe we can get a little clearer view when we walk through here. Yeah, there we go. There we go. See all the stuff down there where you can see clearly someone has been there, lived there. I honestly think we should all work together to clean this thing up. Maybe they should pay these homeless people some money for living here, taking care of our nature too, and cleaning this up, you know what I'm saying? There's also a big old trail that goes way back there. I've never walked down that trail, so I don't know much about it.
So we should get these blocks and put them on with the other keys in.
Walking back across the bridge, huh?
Put blocks on here.
Wow.
They don't take them off. They can't take them off unless they cut them off.
They took them all off though. There's a bunch of them on here. There's only one on here now.
There's two. I see one over here. This side.
They removed most of them.
I know they did, but I don't know why. It's like
There used to be a thing that you
there's
walk.
actually somewhere in some place that you can actually do that. Like the bridge is made for
Look, they took the damn cart all the way down here, y'all. Damn shopping cart all the way down here. About done went back in the river. Y'all truly enjoyed this video, you guys. It's been a hard work. It's been hard work and it's been an awesome journey, you guys, with you guys. Many more journeys to come. Lots of great content to come from James Gape Gape. Don't skip those ads. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. There's the bobber stuck on the thing. Another bobber.
The more it'll get out there.
Another bobber stuck. All these bobbers and weights and stuff stuck on the line right here where people don't know how to throw down. I guess they throw over instead of flicking their wrist. Just flick your wrist like that, you know, and throw it over like that. But you're probably still gonna get stuck down there in something. I would not say go fishing right here. I would not say go fishing. More than likely you're gonna get hooked on something, snag on a tree, or something like that. Like, share, and subscribe, guys. We love you guys. We're going back to the car. We're going home.